Hi everybody, Derek Smith from Pop-Up Camper Pro. Today I'd like to show you how to properly choose, measure, and cut the lift cables for your Coleman or Fleetwood pop-up camper. In this video we're going to cover mostly the bolt-end style cables found on units built after 1999. Why mostly the bolt-end style cables, you might ask? This is because the loop-end style cables found on the earlier units do not require being pre-cut before installing. With a loop-end style cable, you can attach to the lift arm, route the cable back to the whiffletree drawbar, and at the eye bolt on the drawbar, make your loop and cut the excess cable. With a bolt-end lift cable, first attach it to the lift arm, route it through the system, and then you attach it to the drawbar with a threaded bolt that's built onto the cable. I'll show you how to get this right the first time. Find the cable cut chart at our web store. I'll add links in the description below. Here you can find the proper cable cut lengths for Coleman and Fleetwood campers built after 1999. Many of the pop-ups, you just need to know what the box size is to determine the correct length cable. You can check your parts book, available for free at our web store, or you can physically measure your camper. To measure from the front body panel to the rear body panel. Most of the campers are going to measure to even foot measurements. 8 foot, 10 foot, 12 foot, and so on. Now your camper might have a front storage box built onto it or added to it. If so, the storage box does not count in this measurement. It's just the box size. Some units look up by the year and model name of the camper. Be sure to review the chart completely for other possible lengths for your particular pop-up. Other models, such as Scorpions, might have 4 different length cables in them. Here you can find locations defined as such: curbside front, roadside rear, indicating that these specialized units have multiple length cables for all 4 locations. Now for cutting the cable, I highly recommend you get a specialized tool designed to cut stainless steel cable. Using the wrong tool can quickly mangle the ends. So I hope this has been helpful, folks. Thank you very much for watching. Please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe, mash that notification bell to be alerted when new content is available. Thanks for watching, and I will see you at the campground, maybe with a lift cable that you installed.